Pick Victoria ata muna bago kami dun sa Madame Tussauds ba yun? Okay, so we're going to Sky Terrace. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. Wow, kaso medyo cloudy lang. And very gloomy. Parang ano to ah? Parang bundok sa City Hall ba? Okay. Ganyan siya dito. Kasi medyo cloudy and gloomy. Pero okay lang yan. Mga color grade naman siguro yan. So yeah. Buti hindi maaraw. Kasi kung mainit dito, super hassle.